Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. Well, I am going face down today, camera down. We are opening up a fun box. I already slid it, but haven't opened. So this is from Sewanee, Georgia, one of the newer boxes. The polka dots are different, and the box seems to hold up a little better, so that's good. Let's see when I purchased this. April 1st of 2024. All right. Oh, air pillows. Well, this is colorful. So let me go ahead and take everything out of here, and then we're going to go through it. I figured it'd just be easier to show you guys some items down scope, as they call it. I think I got everything here. So, all right, let me go ahead and get this box out. Oops, stuff stuck on the box. All right. So let's just take a quick peek and then we'll go over everything. We've got a Lululemon. We've got a bralette. Oh, two Lululemon. Oh my gosh. Some shorts or something. Pajama shorts, some socks. Kate Spade. Not sure what that is. One of these little fuzzies. A belt. Color Street. That's nice. Pop sockets. We got Rag and Bone socks. We got, oh, I know this pattern. Oh, Lele Sadoughi. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a fantastic box. So, and then we got a pair of earrings. So, all right, so what I'm going to do is we'll go through each piece one by one, and I will pop up prices. Wow, wow, wow. See you in a second. All right, you guys, what a great box. Wow. So, first piece we got is the Lululemon Play Forward Crossbody Pouch. So you've got a space here, you've got a space here, and it is adjustable. This is really pretty. It's a gray and an orange. It is 4.1 inches by 7.8. Great piece. And you've got a place to hang your keys. We can do that for $15. And let me see, do I have any numbers? I do. Let's number these. Okay. Sorry, you guys, I feel a little out of practice. So we're going to make that number 1. Okay. Number 2. Let's go with Lululemon. I'm going to move you guys up a little bit. So, lift and separate. No uniboob. That made me giggle. So this is a size 32C. It was originally 54. Must have been on sale for $34. New with the tag. And this is a Lululemon Luxtreme. Really pretty front bra. Love this. I love this purple and polka dot. That is number 22. Again, it's a 32C front clasp. We'll go ahead and do 20 on that. Nice. Okay, number 3. All right, I have to move my stuff around. I'm not used to going down. It's camera for this kind of stuff, but we're going to make the best of it. Okay, so this is supposed to be a 2-piece set, but there's only a shirt. It is All-American PJ Set Twilight Check. It's by Honeydew. I know they sell this on a couple of different places and on Amazon. So it is a plaid pink and navy short sleeve shirt. Go ahead and lay that out like that. I'm going to move you guys up. You're going to see all the other lovelies. So this is it. It's pretty short. It is a size medium, brand new. It's super soft. So that is number 3, and that's the Honeydew medium plaid PJ top short sleeve. We'll do $5. Okay. I just got my numbers all screwed up. Okay, number 4. All right. Kate Spade. This is called the Rio de Janeiro one size travel rain jacket with pouch. When I first saw it, I was like, I'm like, why is it a dog bone? No, it's her bow, but you know, I'm such a dork. So this is the pouch it comes in. And you've got, I'll never be able to get this back in here. You know that, right? So it is Kate Spade, and it's a one size. So what I'll do is I will pop a picture of this up, but it is a pull over the head rain jacket, one size fits most. Kate Spade, Rio de Janeiro, number 4. We'll do it for 20 and look for a picture at the end because this is a mess. It's a hot mess. All right. Number 5 is, I was looking at it and I'm like, okay. So this is from Anthropologie. It is called the Have a Ball, the Figure 8 Ice Skate Palm. So I assume we didn't have cool stuff like this when I used to skate, that you put this into your ice skate, but there's only one pom-pom. So it's in a lilac color called Have a Ball. Number 5, we'll just do that for $2. One of you guys could get crafty and do something with that. Okay, number 6 is a gold tone belt. I didn't take it out of the package. This reminds me of a belt I had in the, oh gosh, I guess it would have been the 80s. It's one of those stretchy belts. So let me, I don't know how I'm going to stretch that. All right. So where it's sitting right now unstretched, it would be 26 inches. Fully stretched, it would be 40 inches, but that would be pretty tight. So let's go with like 36 inch on this. It is one of those 80s retro style belts. Number 6, we'll go ahead and do, let's do $2 on that. All right, so next we have socks. Always socks, right? All right, so number 7, these are Bean Boot Socks by LL Bean. They're size medium, men's 5 to 9, women's 6 to 10. They are brand new. They were $24.95 in the store. These are called Dark Hunter, 78% merino wool, 15% nylon, 6% polyester, and 1% lycra spandex. So I don't mind getting socks, especially when there's stuff like this. So that is a great, great piece. We'll go, they're $25 in the store. We'll go ahead and do these for $6. So number 7 for $6. Okay. Number 8, Rag and Bone socks. Nice. Rag and Bone, New York, new with the tag. Germany, women's lingerie, Ladies casual something. They were $65 in the store. Wow. So these are definitely wool. Here is their mark right there. Rag and Bone. So these are unisex. These are really lovely. Number 8, we will go ahead and do these for, let's do the Rag and Bone for 15. What a great lot, huh? Okay, number 9 are pop sockets. Now, what makes this really cool? Genuine gemstone. This is a flower agate. It's a pop grip luxe. So it looks like this is just the top part. So they're interchangeable. So I guess you need the socket. I know on the website you can buy them, or if you guys already have this, this would be an interchangeable pop grip. Really cool. Flower agate. I thought that was awesome. Number 9, we'll go ahead and do that for $6. Number 10, we got 12 pieces. We've got Color Street nails. So these are good. I've used them before. I've had mixed. The first time I wore them, they were great. The second time I tried to use it, I had nail problems. So as you guys see, I don't wear nail polish. I try, but you know, we won't go there. So Holidays is the design. These are really pretty. We'll go ahead and do the Color Street polish strips. Number 10. Let's do those for $8. All right. Next up, number 11. Let me move these over. All right, number 11. Lele Sadoughi. I knew I recognized that pattern as soon as I saw it. There is her name. So this is like a crushed velvet. These run on her site, not this exact one, but ones that are like a velvet but really decorated sell for a lot, or list for a lot on her site. She sells ones like this for $65. It is the knotted. It looks like it's in good condition. I don't know if it was ever worn or just doesn't have a tag. It is a deep royal navy blue. Lele Sadoughi. We'll do it for $25. So that is number 11. And number 12 is a pair of the National Gallery out of London bee earrings. They are inspired by the Boss Sherritt collection. I'm probably butchering that. So we've got $8.95 in pounds. So I think that might be about, I don't know, $7 or $8 in the US. I'm not positive. So this is number 12. We'll go ahead and do these for $6. So, all right, so you guys claim by number. Just email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com with the number and the date of the video. And this was a great box. I was pleasantly surprised. So I'm definitely going to get another box next time I see them come up. So, all right, you guys, well, you have a fantastic day wherever you are in this small world of ours, and make sure that you tell someone you love them today. And I will see you real soon. Bye, you guys.